The pace of progress in robotics feels different now, and that is exactly the point of Helix 2. Instead of focusing on narrow tasks or single motions, Figure is pushing towards something far more ambitious: a humanoid robot that understands its body as a whole and moves through the real world with intention. This is not about flashy demonstrations. It is about building intelligence that can work, adapt, and learn in environments designed for humans. Helix 2 is designed around full-body autonomy, which means the robot does not think in isolated movements. Arms, hands, torso, legs, and balance are all coordinated through a single system. That matters because real-world work is messy. Objects are not perfectly placed. Floors are not always flat. Tasks change constantly. Helix 2 is built to handle that reality instead of avoiding it. What stands out immediately is how naturally the robot moves. Walking, turning, reaching, and grasping are not treated as separate problems. They are part of one continuous decision-making process. When Helix 2 reaches for an object, it already understands how its weight shifts, how its legs need to adjust, and how its hands should approach the task. This kind of control is essential if humanoid robots are going to operate safely and reliably around people. The intelligence behind Helix 2 is trained to learn from experience rather than relying on rigid scripts. That allows the robot to improve as it encounters new situations. It can adapt to unfamiliar objects, different layouts, and unexpected obstacles. Over time, this approach makes the system more capable without needing constant reprogramming. From a practical standpoint, this is where things get exciting. A humanoid robot with full body autonomy can move between tasks instead of being locked into a single role. One moment it can carry items, the next it can assist with assembly, and later it can navigate a new space without guidance. That flexibility is what makes humanoid robots valuable in real workplaces, not just controlled labs. Helix 2 also signals a shift in how robotics companies think about scale. Instead of designing separate machines for every job, the goal is to build one adaptable platform that can learn many skills. That approach mirrors how humans work, and it is why this development feels like a meaningful step forward rather than an incremental update. If this direction continues, humanoid robots like Helix 2 could become part of everyday operations in logistics, manufacturing, and other labor-intensive environments. The technology is not about replacing people overnight. It is about assisting, supporting, and taking on physically demanding tasks while humans focus on higher-level work.